Alright, so we're back with another unboxing. This time, I believe it's the Fantech headset that I ordered. Let's get my knife ready. I'm glad that the seller decided to put fragile do not drop, since this is an electronic device. So good on them. It seems like it's covered with a lot of bubble wrap, so that's awesome. Right, here we got the package. Let me slice this off. Comes with a decent amount of bubble wrap, so that's good. And just as I am recording, the dog decides to bark non-stop, so that's great news. What's this? So just the receipt. So it's the Fantech HQ51, as I mentioned earlier. Let's see and open the box. Way too much bubble wrap. And that dog needs to shut the hell up. So, well, slice the box here. Whoopsie. Not the cleanest cut. And here you go. Here's a clear sight of the Legion HQ51 headset. Has some RGB and 50 meters cord. $50mm driver unit, RGB, braided cords, volume control, and noise cancelling headphones, perfect when the dog is barking during your meeting. So here's what it looks like. Comes with a mic and a headset jack, together with the USB for the RGB effect. So let's try it out. Alright, so now that we've plugged it in, it's lighting up as so. Check it out, it has at least 7 different colors, and it's just flashing through. You can see that it has probably like synthetic leather, some mesh to keep the heat in check. You also have the microphone over here, and I believe the volume rocker is this one, so you can adjust it like so. For the head space, you can adjust it by moving the sides, depending on the size of your head. But yeah, this is basically it. It's the Fantech Legion HQ51 RGB gaming headset for, I think, less than 500 pesos. You can get it now from Shopee or Lazada, depending on which shopping channel you usually buy from. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos. Peace.